Today, we're going to build the Batmobile from the animated series using 17 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with this 1x2 plate, and that's going to be the back of our Batmobile. And on top of this 1x2 plate, I'm going to grab two 1x1 bricks with side stud. And we're going to put that side stud is facing the left and the right of my 1x2 plate piece, because this is where our wheels are going to go. So I'm going to turn this around so that those studs are facing the side and my wheels are going to go. And now the next thing I'm going to do is grab two more of those 1x1 bricks with side stud, and this time I'm going to have that stud facing up, because this is where we're going to build like the cabin of our Batmobile. And so I get two of those bricks, face those studs up. And now I still need to make this a lot longer. To really extend this thing out, I'm going to grab a 1x2 brick piece. I'm going to put that 1x2 brick on those studs top. So here it's just extending out. And now I'm going to grab two 1x2 headlight bricks. Now I want these to be headlight bricks because if you look at the Batmobile from the animated series, those wheels are like just sunken into the Batmobile. So I'm going to grab these headlight bricks and face them to the left and right of that 1x2 brick piece. And now I just want to extend it out a little bit, give it that nice little like fun nose that the Batmobile has. And to do that, I'm gonna grab one of these, I think it's like a 45 2x1 curved slope piece. And I'm gonna put the small end of that slope on the bottom and have it slope up to the thick end. And so this is the length of my Batmobile. Now, on the top here, I've got these top two studs exposed. I'm gonna grab a 2x2 jumper plate. And that 2x2 jumper plate, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it so that the front end of that jumper plate is on those side or those top studs. So what I'm gonna do is when I put it on, I put it like this so that kind of the cabin is gonna be more towards the back of the Batmobile. And then what I'm gonna do is grab a 1x2 tile piece. Now this 1x2 tile piece needs to be empty. You don't want the ones with the little anti-stud. You want it to be empty because you're gonna put it on that jumper plate and then just slide it back a little bit. You just wanna hang over the back a little bit and exposing a little bit of that front jumper plate, 2x2 jumper plate up here. Just give us a closer look to what the Batmobile looked like in the animated series. And now on the back of the Batmobile, we've got those like bat wings sticking out. And to create that, I'm gonna grab two of these 1x1 plates with the tooth. And I'm just gonna put those plates on the side studs here so that those teeth are just sticking out a little bit. So if you look at it up close, you're gonna see how like those teeth are just sticking out a little bit past the back to give us that bat wing look. And now all we have to do is the wheels. Now, if you don't have this printed piece, this 1x1 kind of like silver tile, rounded tile with like that nice metallic printing, just use like a gray or a silver tile piece, but we want to keep that like sunken look of the Batmobile's wheels. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab these round tile pieces and put it on top of my tooth plate here on both sides to make the back wheels. And on the front wheels, I'm gonna grab two more of those same tile pieces and put it onto the side of those headlight bricks here. And now I've got a completed Batmobile from the animated series.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.